Hey, what's up guys? It's Adrian Challenge 101. Today we're going to be doing the egg challenge. The point of this game is to go get 3 eggs and then mix them together and then drink them. I'm just going to set everything up.
So yeah.
So now I'm going to drink all 3 raw eggs right now, okay?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Hey guys, that was a raw egg challenge. Subscribe, like this video, and hit that notification bar. Comment down below and for challenges, and I'll do them no matter what.
Well, you can't wait for Christmas?